Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best binding machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Memory Binding Machine. The Cinch Book Binding Machine by We Are Memory Keepers makes booking binding quick, easy and affordable. It is the best binding tool on the market for home, school and office projects. The Cinch is great for making mini albums, recipe books, presentations and more. The Cinch Book Binding Machine by We Are Memory Keepers is so easy to use. The soft, ergonomic handle allows you to punch through up to 20 sheets of lightweight paper with ease and wire coils bend just as simply. You can create everything from scrapbooks, mini books, school projects, journals, gifts and so much more. The Cinch cuts perfect holes for use with any size binding wire 325 to 1.25 inch. At number 4 we have Fellows Binding Machine. The Fellows Star Plus Comb Binding Machine is an easy-to-use, light-duty comb binding machine for the small office. This manually punches up to 12 sheets at a time and binds up to 150 sheets with a 3/4 inch comb. The vertical document loader ensures consistent punch alignment. This efficient design allows user to punch and bind in a continuous manner. This document thickness/comb guide helps user select proper comb width. The convenient built-in comb storage tray keeps supplies handy. Using vertical document loading, you can design to accurately align the punches of every document you bind. At number 3 we have Heidi Binding Machine. The Heidi Swapp Cinch Book Binding Machine by We Are Memory Keepers makes booking binding quick, easy and affordable. It is the best binding tool on the market for home, school and office projects. The Cinch is great for making mini albums, recipe books, presentations and more. You can simply choose the holes to be punched and let the punch bar do the work. Then thread the covers and pages onto the Cinch binding wire. The tool secures the binding wire, that's making it easy. Lastly, the back of the tool will hold the book in place while the punch bar presses the binding wires shut. This heavy-duty tool cuts chipboard or several sheets of cardstock easily. At number 2 we have Fellows Binding Machine. The full-featured, medium-duty Fellows Pulsar Plus Comb Binding Machine is ideal for general office use. This compact machine manually punches up to 18 sheets at a time and binds up to 300 sheets with a 1.5 inch comb. The vertical document loading ensures accurate punch alignment. This efficient design allows user to punch and bind in a continuous manner. It features built-in comb storage tray with document measurement device for added convenience and quick setup. At number 1 we have Vevor Binding Machine. The book binding tool is constructed with heavy-duty stainless steel, making it sturdy and durable. It is equipped with a built-in milling cutter for the book spine with a sharp blade. With the temperature controlling device, this binding equipment can adjust the temperature for different melt glue types under various temperature conditions. It is ideal for print and copy, store, office, library and other binding business. The sector adhesive brushing system is optimized to apply the adhesive evenly. There are side adhesives for firm binding and to keep pages from loosening. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best binding machines for your need.